Evolution. It's why we grow, why we stretch beyond our limits, and why we refuse to accept that anything is as good as it's going to get. Planting is no different. You want to get more out of every seed, every acre, and every season than you did the previous one. Because you evolve, so do we. Introducing the new 2015 MaxEmerge 5 and ExactEmerge row units from John Deere. More than an evolution, it's an innovation like none other. Two new planting solutions designed to help take your yield potential to its full potential and engineered to satisfy the most important agronomic driver of your operation, you. We know what you demand from a planter: achieving your desired plant population, uniform spacing, even emergence, making the most of narrow planting windows. And here's the equipment that will drive your success into the future. It starts with the all-new MaxEmerge 5 family of row units. We've merged the best of our MaxEmerge XP and Pro Series XP lines to design the most versatile option in the industry. When we say MaxEmerge 5 is the most versatile row unit to come to market, that's not hyperbole. That's high performance. It starts with our new mini hopper configuration. A reimagined straight feed entry from the CCS hose into the mini hopper gives you smooth, continuous seed flow. And a redesigned vacuum air source pulls clean air from the CCS tank into the meter to keep it running free and clear of debris. Now that's greater efficiency right off the bat. But let's not blow past the fact that this perfected row unit singulates a wide range of seed sizes and shapes for precise planting. Regardless of variety, your valuable seed is never wasted. Even on rolling terrain and side hills, MaxEmerge 5 makes every seed matter. See how the seed pool stays completely full on an incline? Well, if your field happens to slope and contour like this, know that your seed population will not be affected. Not in the least. You can plant as confidently in these conditions as you would flatland. Throw in the newly improved double eliminator and you can achieve 99% singulation unquestioned. Plus, we've added a convenient dial indicator to make it quicker and easier to adjust settings for corn, soybean, or any other crop you plant. This is bottom line production at its best. And to make sure you continue to get the best, we've improved the durability of the gauge wheel arm to give you reliability never imagined. That's only the beginning. To make MaxEmerge 5 truly versatile, we had to serve up more options than ever before. Like adding a new granular insecticide feature to the mini hopper. Get your chemical application down in each pass to up your uptime and raise your productivity. Speaking of raising productivity, the insecticide option is now available on the 1.6 bushel hopper with Pro Shaft Drive to rid you of chains, bearings, and shafts, saving you time and maintenance costs. Or get MaxEmerge 5 in the 1.6 bushel without insecticide, if you prefer. Best of all, for our large hoppers, we've simplified cleanout to make crop changeover a breeze. That goes for the 3 bushel hopper as well. And for twin row customers, MaxEmerge 5 is also offered in the 2 bushel option. Get a good look. A better way of planting has emerged. The new John Deere MaxEmerge 5 family of row units. More advancements, more advantages. MaxEmerge 5. That's just the first step in our evolution. But to get to that truly next level of performance, we took a giant leap to ensure that you get higher levels of yield and productivity through accuracy never thought possible and speeds never imagined. Actually, let's be more exact. Not just higher speed. Try 10 miles per hour with the all-new John Deere ExactEmerge row unit. Accuracy where you need it, speed when you want it. There's never been a combination of speed and precision quite like this. One that doesn't sacrifice your yield. Instead, it helps you maximize the value of every last input cost. And that's the bottom line. So how did John Deere make it possible to get superior accuracy at 10 miles per hour with ExactEmerge? Simple. We attack the problem head on. Let's not be mistaken. Growers want to go faster. With new electric motors, a new bowl-shaped seed disc, new brush belt delivery system, and more, well, anything is possible, even 10-mile-per-hour planting. But what's speed without accuracy? That's the secret to the real next big innovation. With ExactEmerge, it's all about consistent seed depth, and our industry-exclusive technology delivers seed directly to the trench, so you get more precise seed placement. Let's take a closer look at what separates the game-changing ExactEmerge from other planter row units. As you can see, there's no seed tube. Know what else you don't see? Seed rolling in the trench. We replaced the seed tube with a new delivery cartridge, the heart of this revolutionary planter technology. Inside, you'll find the brush belt, which delivers seed directly into the trench on a dead drop, with no roll at up to 10 miles per hour. Each seed is carried by the brush belt, but not before passing by our all-new seed sensor. Think of it as another set of eyes where you need them most. Population, singulation, spacing information, it's all gathered at the sensor. Every precious seed is carefully spaced and carefully placed. The new bowl-shaped disc singulates your seed, while the concave shape allows the brush to grab each one effortlessly. Watch how these paddles push seed into the center of the brush belt, so you can feel confident knowing there's a secure handoff every time. And thanks to the improved brush-style double eliminator, only one seed rests in each hole before the disc hands it over to the brush belt. This allows you to enjoy the highest possible singulation. Of course, this high-efficiency meter system wouldn't be complete without a superior vacuum. That ensures the disc holds the seed tightly before it's passed on. Check out the new hopper design that helps you get the most of your seed pool by maintaining target seed population on slopes of up to 15 degrees in any direction. But there's more. Two independent electric motors keep ExactEmerge running smoothly. One that rotates the meter, the other turns the brush belt. This gives you the speed matching delivery and population only ExactEmerge can offer. Not enough? How about the fact we've made active pneumatic downforce standard on this planter? And when paired with the new brush belt delivery, you get optimal depth for maximum yield at 10 miles per hour. Just set the downforce margin you want and run confidently. It's that simple. Finally, a planter with no trade-off between speed and accuracy. A planter that buries the myth of only planting at 5 miles per hour. A planter that marries precise seed placement and productivity. It's the all-new ExactEmerge row unit from John Deere. Accurate at 10 miles per hour. Exactly.
The results we've seen out of the ExactEmerge planter really impressed us all the way from when we started planting at 5 mile an hour, what we were used to 7 to 10 and above. As far as the results coming out of the field, we had the same placement, and the stand was just incredible.
Take away the speed, the spacing of the planter and the emergence is just unheard of. I've never had such spacings and emergences as I ever had this year with corn or soybeans.
What is nice about the metering system that we had on the planters in the past was very accurate at the meter. With this new planter, we're going to have positive placement seed at the ground, so we end up with much better accuracy of our spacing, our stands, and allows us to travel at much faster speed so we can get more production per day.
The spacing of the planter and the emergence is by far exceeded my expectations. And not to mention the speed as a bonus, that if the planting window narrows, if it's getting ready to rain, big clouds come up northwest, I can speed the planter up and get things done within the optimum window of when I need to. There's many advantages to the planter, not just one.
With the electric drive and then that belt, being able to take that guesswork we've had in a planter for years, this planter is definitely a revolutionary thing to the planting industry.
So what went into the newest planting innovation? Only what you shared with us.
Throughout the years in development of the ProMax 40, the flush phase seed tube, we spent a lot of time with customers. We've developed those products, and we were listening to customers while we developed those products. They were telling us that we needed more productivity. We needed to go faster speeds. So we determined through a lot of customer fields, a lot of digging, a lot of evaluation, that through high-speed video, we can see that the seed is bouncing and rolling coming out of the seed tube when you run faster. In order to go faster, we had to change the speed of the seed. By matching the speed of the seed, we can get a dead drop. That dead drop results in good seed placement. So the benefit of ExactEmerge is that you get excellent singulation out of the meter, and you get the control of the seed in the brush belt. The seed is handed off from the meter to the brush belt, and then the brush belt holds a seed all the way down to about 2 inches above the trench. After that point, the seed is speed matched, so whatever speed you're driving forward, the seed coming out rearward matches that speed. It's extremely rewarding to see this product come into the marketplace. We've worked on this for several years, and we're providing a product that the customers want.
And that's how you evolve. We had to grow ourselves before we could help you do the same. Maximize the potential of the technology and opportunity in front of us so we could help you maximize the potential of your soil. And ExactEmerge, with the new revolutionary brush belt delivery system that no other manufacturer can match, is the technology and opportunity you've been waiting for.
I think the biggest thing the ExactEmerge planter is going to do for the planting industry is it's going to help everybody on the productivity, getting more acres done per day, but also with having it so precise, we're also going to be able to increase our yields and things like that as well.
This is the ExactEmerge experience. Come experience it for yourself. Because nothing runs like a Deere.